There comes a point in every man's life when he hits rock bottom. Not because he is weak, not because he failed, but because life wants to strip him down to the truth. When everything you depended on suddenly disappears, when the people you trusted walk away, when the things you thought were permanent fall apart, that's when life whispers, "Now let's see who you really are." People think rock bottom is the end, but for men who rise, rock bottom is the beginning. It's the point where you have nothing left to lose and everything left to build. Most men break here. They blame, they cry, they quit. But a rare few, they look at the ruins and say, "No one is coming, I'll do it myself." That's the moment your comeback truly starts. Not when you succeed, but when you decide you're done suffering without purpose. Because every great comeback follows one truth. Pain is the down payment for a stronger version of you. The man you'll become needs the man you are right now to go through hell. Let's break down the blueprint. Step 1, brutal acceptance. You cannot rise until you face reality head on. Stop lying to yourself. Stop pretending everything is fine. Look at your weaknesses. Look at why you fell. Look at what you lost and why. Acceptance isn't negativity. Acceptance is clarity. Only clear eyes build clear futures. Step 2, go silent. The world doesn't need to know your plans. Your friends don't need updates. Your enemies don't need warnings. Disappear for a while. Go off the radar. Let the silence become your power. When a man moves quietly, his comeback becomes louder. The strongest transformations happen when nobody's watching. Step 3, build iron discipline. Motivation will betray you. Emotions will mislead you. But discipline stands with you even on the days you break. Wake up earlier than your excuses. Move your body even when you don't feel like it. Work on your goals even when your heart is heavy. Discipline doesn't care about your mood, and that's why disciplined men rise. Step 4, stack small wins. Everyone wants a massive change, but your comeback is built in the tiny moments no one sees. Fixing your routine, sleeping on time, eating better, learning something new, cutting toxic distractions, choosing focus over entertainment. Small wins stack into big victories. And then one random day, people look at you and say, "Bro, what happened to you?" They'll think you changed suddenly, but you'll know the truth. It was the quiet grind. Step 5, reinvent your identity. A comeback is not a revenge story. A comeback is a rebirth. Who you were before is dead. Your old habits, gone. Your old mindset, replaced. Your old weaknesses, exposed and corrected. Reinvent yourself like you're building a character in a game. Stronger, smarter, colder, more focused. This is your fresh start. Not because the world gave you one, but because you created one with your own hands. Step 6, sacrifice the old life. You cannot rise while holding on to what broke you. Some people won't come with you. Some habits must die. Some environments must be left behind. Some memories will sting, but they must stay in the past. Your comeback demands sacrifice. It demands that you choose growth over comfort, hunger over laziness, purpose over pleasure. You want to become unrecognizable? Then you must do what the old you refused to do. One day, the same people who underestimated you will stare in disbelief. They'll call it a miracle. They'll call it luck. They'll call it destiny. But you'll know, it was none of that. It was the nights you cried quietly, the mornings you forced yourself out of bed, the sacrifices nobody applauded, the pain you used as fuel, the discipline you built from zero. You didn't change. You returned to the strongest version of yourself, the version life tried to hide from you. This is not the end of your story. This is the part where the hero claws his way back, where the man inside you rises again with fire in his eyes. Stand up, dust yourself off, take a deep breath, and step forward. Your comeback has already begun, and this time, nothing and no one can stop you.